Ciao, my name is Aabhas. I'm the head chef at Sorrentina. Thank you for purchasing the barbecue sauce. I'm going to show you a really nice and easy recipe. So we've got the barbecue sauce, I've got some blanched broccoli, and I've got some Parmesan cheese with some breadcrumbs. Easy step. I'm just going to take and marinate my broccoli with the barbecue sauce. This can be marinated overnight as well, but if you're doing a la minute, I've just marinated them. I'm going to place the broccoli on a baking tray or a plate. I'm just gonna spoon a gentle full of some barbecue sauce on top of the broccoli as well. There goes the Parmesan. You can use any other cheese, like a cheddar as well, works really well. This now goes into the oven. Guys, just bake for another 3 minutes so that the cheese gets gratinated. And voila, an easy dish with the barbecue truffle sauce paired up with some broccoli, some fresh cheese, ready to go.